These are stills from the movie Armageddon, which can happen to us. Imagine Christmas 2024. You're opening gifts, sipping mulled wine, while an asteroid the size of a skyscraper streaks overhead and no one noticed. This is 2024. YR4, a cosmic visitor that zoomed 830,000 kilometers from Earth on December 25th. We only spotted it 2 days later, and here's the scary part. It's coming back in 2032. Will it hit us, or is it just another false alarm? I'm breaking down the facts right now. Hit like if you're ready for the truth. Let's be real. Astronomers missed this one. Scientists admit. On December 25th, 2024, everyone was caught up in the holidays. Telescopes were quiet until Chile's Atlas station caught it on the 27th as it sped away. Why didn't we see it sooner? It's small, fast, and sneaky. At just 830,000 kilometers, barely more than twice the moon's distance, it only lit up when it got close. Its name's 2024 YR4, part of the Apollo family asteroids that cross Earth's path. It's not just a guest, it's a potential killer. Here's why. This thing's size, 40 to 100 meters. Picture a 10-story building barreling at you 17 kilometers a second. If it slams into us, it's not just a crater. Remember the Tunguska meteor in 1908? 30 meters leveled 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest like a nuclear blast. 2024 YR4 is bigger, up to 100 meters. Impact strength, 8 to 10 megatons of TNT. That's 20 times stronger than the Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013, which shattered windows and injured 1,500 people. Hits the ocean, tsunamis, waves as tall as houses flood coasts, lands on ground, a city within 50 kilometers turns to rubble. Not sci-fi. This is the reality we dodged in 2024. But for how long? Now the big question, what happens December 22nd, 2032? This asteroid synced with us. Its orbit around the sun takes 1 year. We met in 2024, and 8 years later, in 2032, it'll swing by again, or crash. Odds of impact? As of February 2025, 2.3 to 3.1%. Sounds small? Would you board a plane with a 1 in 50 crash rate? Not me. Soon the James Webb Telescope will track it in March and May 2025, measuring its size and refining its path. But after May, it'll fade too dim to see until June 2028. What's shocking? In 1 month, the odds jumped from 1.3 to 3.1%. It's cosmic Russian roulette. Where'll it strike? The path's fuzzy. Pacific Ocean through South America, Africa to South Asia. Picture the worst. December 22nd, 2032 evening. The sky flashes. Boom. If it plunges into the ocean, more likely, with all that water, a tsunami tens of meters high, wipes out coasts. Cities like Miami, Tokyo, Sydney underwater. On land, a blast torches everything within 50 kilometers. Homes, roads, people gone in fire and dust. Energy like 500 Hiroshima bombs at once. Not a global apocalypse like the dinosaurs, but for millions, it's game over. The scariest part, we don't know exactly where it'll hit. Maybe a desert. Maybe your town. Want to know how we'll stop it? Keep listening. Any hope? Yes. Scientists aren't sitting idle. By 2028, we'll nail its orbit. Telescopes never stop. If the risk holds, we'll send a probe to land on it or orbit nearby, tracking its path via radio signals, then deflect it. How? A gentle nudge years before 2032, tech's already here, or blast it to bits, tougher, but doable. Time's key. 8 years are shot to prepare. This isn't a movie, it's a real survival gamble. 2024. YR4 isn't just an asteroid, it's a wake-up call. We're not alone in the universe, and it can surprise us. 8 years from now, its back flies by or ends it all. What's your take, hit or miss? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe, hit the bell. More cosmic secrets ahead. Let's uncover the truth together.